smart kid. Hello again. I'm back. Today I am going to tell you about different types of construction machine. This is a Caterpillar bulldozer. This is a dump truck or haul truck. Here is a crane truck or jig. Here is a wheel bulldozer. This is a snow clearing truck. This is a skid steer loader. This is a paving machine. Here is a tractor. This is a crane platform truck. This is a Caterpillar excavator. Here is an aerial lift truck. This is a forklift truck. Here is a tarmac layer. And lastly, this is a concrete mixer. Today we saw and learnt the names of some construction machines. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to hear about new videos.